I'm going to share something that I don't talk about enough with my friends, my family, my loved ones, my peers. I want to explain to you why I am a Phoenix car accident lawyer. My name is Garrick McFadden, and I am in my office in Phoenix, Arizona, and I'm a car accident lawyer. And then the reason I am a car accident lawyer is not that this was a path that I was forced to be. Like, there's a lot of car accident lawyers, defense attorneys, bankruptcy lawyers like that. The reason they are these areas of law is because of the law school they went to, if I'm being honest. It's the only job they could get, right? They did poorly in law school. They went to a low-rated law school, and this is the only thing that they can do. Now, I know of some very successful lawyers that went to top-tier law schools who are following in the footsteps of their father, who was a personal injury attorney, and they went to, top 20 ranked law schools. Me, I had a different approach. I went to a top 20 ranked law school. I went to the University of Southern California in Los Angeles. And when I graduated, I also got a master's in business taxation. I went up to Silicon Valley, and I was a .com tax attorney for Deloitte & Touche. I'm licensed in California, and I'm licensed in Arizona. And I just shared with you how old I am, because Deloitte & Touche is no longer Deloitte & Touche, it's just Deloitte. And that's where I first started. I was working on a billionaire's tax return. It was 3:00 in the morning, and I realized to myself, this is not what I went to law school for. I eventually came to Arizona, did some other things, and I fell in love with going to trial, going to court, doing arbitrations. I was a defense attorney. But my values, the things I believe in as a defense attorney, it just didn't mesh. It was more aligned with being a plaintiff's attorney. I saw so many Black people who I felt were being taken advantage of by their non-Black attorneys. They weren't getting the respect they deserved. There was very little effort put into their cases. And so after doing that for a while, I switched. I became a plaintiff's attorney. A short period of time, I ran for office. And during that time, in my stint in politics, I acquired a lot of skills, acquired a lot of knowledge, talked to tons of people who will eventually be our jury population, raised my name, raised my profile, accomplished some really great things. But for the next 4 years, because I've already a year in, for the next 4 years, I'm fully dedicated to being a plaintiff's attorney, because I believe that people need access to lawyers that will fight for them, lawyers that will tell them the truth, the hard truth. Even when you have no case, I will tell you have no case. And I'm working on that still. It's hard. It's disappointing giving people bad news. I realize right now that so many people are not even on the edge. They are off the edge. They don't even know it. They are falling in slow motion, and they don't even know it. And when they get in a car accident, their whole life, their whole world is disrupted. So I want to be the person that helps, that gives you the respect and dignity that you deserve, that's going to be honest with you, that's not going to promise you $1 million for a car accident that's worth $1,000. My name is Garrick McFadden. I'm a car accident attorney here in Phoenix. And at my firm, our motto is, your injuries, our fight, your win. Give me a call.